Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare lemon garlic salmon with asparagus. So I season my salmon and I dry it, make sure it's like really dry, and I seasoned, and I'll leave the seasonings in the description box below. A little Old Bay, other fish seasoning, herbs, spices, and paprika. Salmon is salty, so I never use salt on it. Then I lightly put a little flour on it because I'm now frying this in some olive oil, a little olive oil. And you know, salmon is like very flaky. So I'm frying this not golden brown, but I'm just frying this a little on both sides, not too crispy. And then there you go. This is a quick, easy, could be lunch, brunch, or dinner. Here it is now ready for me to drizzle my sauce on it. And the sauce, I'll leave what I added. I did lemon, a little chicken broth, some herbs and spices, garlic, lemon juice, and also original lemon. I squeezed lemon in it. And I just left this to like boil on the stove a little. And then I added some asparagus, wash them, trim them. And then I seasoned with a little just herb and spice. Tossed a little olive oil on it. And I prepared this on the stove top for, I would say, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Just stir fried, no salt added. Less salt is better, and most of these herbs and seasonings already has salt in it. And then there you go, the meal is served. Quick, easy, and I really enjoyed this too. I really enjoyed preparing this. Here it is, dish for serving. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you soon in my next video, and I'll leave all the instructions and ingredients in the description box.